I'm still young and want to enjoy myself. The fastest man on the planet, Usain Bolt, has told this programme that there's no more to life than track and field. Bolt, who's Olympic and world champion and the 100 and 200 metre world record holder, competes tonight as he attempts to overcome the injury that saw him cut last season short. He's set his sights on smashing world records once again, predicting one day he will run the 100 metres in 9.4 seconds. Our sports reporter came in zone, caught up.
The fastest man in the world ever. Under normal circumstances, Usain Bolt's rivals are left chasing shadows, but these are not normal circumstances. He stunned the world and his competitors at the Olympics in 2008 and proceeded to smash both the 100 and 200 metre world records at the Berlin World Championships. But he lost much of last year to a back injury, and with the August World Championships and indeed the London Olympics looming, he's still well off the pace. His season best, 9.91 seconds, is a tenth of a second behind his main rival.
My aim right now, as I said, I'm just coming back from injury. So for me, is to get back on good shape, get back on good form, get my technique right, get everything back to being the really Usain Bolt. So for me, that's the aim leading up to the World Championship this year. So because I have to defend my title, that's my main aim. So trying to get everything right.
His trademark celebration earned him that cryptic nickname, Lightning Bolt, and lucrative endorsements. Athletics has been waiting a long time for someone like him. Little wonder he's fronting the trailer for Channel 4's summer athletics coverage. Once upon a time, running 100 metres in under 10 seconds was considered Herculean. But since Bolt turned up, there's been talk of breaking 9.4.
Do you think you can ever get to 9.4?
I'm hoping. I'm definitely hoping. We're definitely going to work on it, give it my best. I think people would love to see that. I'd love to see that also. So for me, I'm trying to get everything together, and that's where it needs to be done, because I think London is going to be the biggest Olympics.
Even with his shoelaces undone, he is the man to beat. Yet, world records or not, the gangly Mr. Bolt is far from the perfect sprinter. And don't they know this at UK Athletics?
You can find flaws on Usain's runs. Him and his coach, I'm sure, are aware of those things. So his world records at 200 and 100, there are areas that obviously he could affect and do better. So given that, can he run faster than he ran? It's obvious to me. Yeah.
He's been called lazy by some. He says he's just relaxed. Still, sprinting is a curious choice for a man who appears to have all the time in the world.
I enjoy track and field, but I can't let track and field not let me enjoy my life. Because a lot of people grow up and they say, oh, I wish I done this, done that. But I work hard, and I know when it's time to crunch time and what I need to do to get there. So I just do it. I don't need to not drink. I don't need to not go out. I'm still young.
Indeed, he is. Not even 25 years old. Usain Bolt, triple world record holder, Olympic and world champion. Athletes like him really don't come along that often.